In today's world, there's no excuse for not making money on the side. The internet is packed with opportunities, and today, I'm going to show you 5 side hustles that you can start with absolutely no money up front. You heard that right, $0. No investment needed. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start earning money from the comfort of your home. So stick around because some of these will surprise you. Keep watching because I'll be diving into the details of a little-known side hustle most people overlook. You don't want to miss this. Side hustle number 1. Freelance writing. All right, first on the list is freelance writing. If you enjoy writing or even just have a knack for research, this is a great side hustle to start today. Companies, blogs, and websites are always in need of content, and you can get started on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com with no upfront costs. You can charge anywhere from $20 to even $100 per article, depending on the length and expertise required. Pro tip: start by offering competitive rates to get your first few reviews, then raise your prices once you've built a portfolio. This side hustle is perfect for flexible hours, and the demand is huge right now. I know you are here to make easy money, so for the lazy people out here, you can even use ChatGPT to make it so easy. Even a 10-year-old can do this? I got some more easy side hustles for you, so let's go straight to the next one. Side hustle number 2, print on demand. Next up is print on demand. This is perfect for anyone with even a tiny bit of creativity. You can design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or other merchandise using free platforms like Printful or Teespring. Here's the best part. You don't have to pay anything up front. You just create the designs, upload them, and these companies handle everything from printing to shipping. You get paid every time someone buys your design. There are people making millions using this method. The key to success here is to target niche audiences. Think about specific groups of people who are passionate about something, whether it's fitness, cats, gaming, or anything else. Create designs that appeal to them and watch the sales roll in. Ka-ching, baby! All right, those are just 2 side hustles, but there's a lot more coming. In fact, the hustle I'm going to reveal at the end of this video could potentially make you thousands of dollars a month without ever leaving your home. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We've still got some great ones to cover before we get there. Side hustle number 3, social media management. Coming in at number 3 is social media management. If you know your way around platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, businesses are willing to pay for your expertise. Many small business owners don't have the time to manage their social media accounts, so they hire someone to do it for them. You can offer services like posting content, responding to comments, and even managing ads. You can easily charge $300 to $1,000 per month depending on the size of the business. It's a great way to leverage your social media skills into income. Pro tip: look at small businesses in your neighborhood because some businesses don't even have social media. Just make a template email and send it to as many businesses and watch the money roll into your bank account. All right, those were some awesome side hustles. But you're definitely going to want to stick around for this next one because this one is really easy. If you're someone who wants to start making money with little to no effort, this one is going to blow your mind. You can literally start today, and I'll show you how. Side hustle number 4. Coming in at number 4 is a side hustle that's perfect if you want to create passive income with minimal effort, creating ebooks using AI. With tools like ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality content in no time, even if you don't consider yourself a writer. Whether it's self-help guides, how-to books, or even fiction, AI can help you create professional-looking ebooks from scratch. Here's how it works. First, pick a topic you're passionate or knowledgeable about, something like productivity, personal finance, or even niche hobbies. You can use ChatGPT to help structure the content by asking it to generate outlines, write chapters, or even give examples and tips for your book. Once you've got the content, format it using free tools like Google Docs or Canva, then self-publish on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad. The best part? Once your ebook is uploaded, it becomes a form of passive income. People can buy your book while you sleep. You can easily price your ebooks at $3 to even $20, and if they're valuable, readers will happily pay for them. Plus, Amazon KDP offers up to 70% royalties on sales, which can add up quickly as more people discover your books. Imagine you selling 1,000 ebooks at a low budget of $15, which is really easy because people will easily pay a low price of $10 for a lot of value. That's an easy $10,000 landing straight into your bank account. Pro tip, as this one is really easy, you can easily create multiple ebooks to scale your business. We've covered a lot of great side hustles so far, but trust me, you don't want to miss the last one. This final hustle is something almost no one is talking about, but it's hands down one of the most profitable and easiest ways to start making money online today. If you've been waiting for a game changer, this is it, so stick around, because this one could be your ticket to serious cash. At last, we got one of the most popular and beginner-friendly ways to make money online: affiliate marketing. If you haven't heard of it, affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or service, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't need to create a product, manage inventory, or handle customer service. Just focus on getting people to click your link. Platforms like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale are a great place to start. The key to success with affiliate marketing is driving traffic to your links. You can do this through social media, YouTube videos, or even a blog. For example, if you're promoting tech products, you can create review videos or find them online. If you're into fitness, you can share workout gear recommendations on Instagram or TikTok. The more targeted your audience, the better your conversion rate will be, and the more commissions you'll earn. Some affiliates make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month, and the best part is it can become a form of passive income. Once your content is out there, people can keep clicking your links, and you'll earn commissions on autopilot. Plus, if you're promoting high-ticket items, a single sale could land you a hefty commission. Pro tip: make a TikTok account where you post Amazon finds. There are a lot of videos about a lot of products you can just get off the internet and post on your account. Put the link in your bio and watch the money roll into your pocket. All right, that's it for today's list. Which side hustle are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want even more ways to make money online, I've got more videos coming on passive income ideas that you don't want to miss. Just subscribe, or you will miss out. Please check the description below for all links to all platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.